So in this video, I'll be showing you how to set up hash checks, and it's basically just checking if it's been modified since the last time that you pushed the reset button. So basically preventing people to use any modified versions of your app. So the first thing you want to do, of course, is go into your app settings and make sure that it is enabled, and then of course press save, and then I'll just show you basically what this looks like. We're going to press start, and then this is now built. This is my program, my recently built one. I'm just going to copy over everything. Now again, it's the same thing, nothing's been modified yet, so it's all going to work. But now if I go into the code and let's say I don't know, I'll put an extra dot right here, and then just go ahead and save it, and I press start. The program hash does not match. And then of course it will say the same thing, program hash does not match for the newest one that I just built. And then the loader that was previously working, again I copied it over, did not alter this one at all. This one is still working. This one does not work because this is the one that was just built, and so the hash does not match because I simply added a dot right there. And then basically how this is set up is in the initialization function, or init, you will see that there's the hash. And we're using checksum, process, get the current process, and then of course we're getting the process, which is the program that you're running. And getting the process is basically just displaying the hash. And then down with the checksum is basically just using MD5 to properly set the hash. Now of course, if you want to reset this hash at all, you can just press the reset program hash. And again, I'll just show you. If I try and start it, it doesn't match, so I can't do it. And then if I just reset the program hash, and now I go to my application, it will let me do it all. And then, of course, if I try and run the old one, it won't work. And then of course, if you can change the hash too. So if you don't like the way that we're doing it for whatever reason, you can always change it to something else that you want to be. So instead of like the MD5, you can change it to whatever. And then you would just do that by clicking on the add hash button, and then MD5 program hash to add, and then I would just check the hash that you have added here instead of the actual hash that was given by the application. And that's pretty much all there is to it. If you have any questions about this, just comment down below, and I will try and get to you when I can. As always, thank you for watching.